Hey guys, as we all know, Samsung showcased its foldable display phone at their developer conference 2018. The Korean giant has revealed its display by securing the whole device in a black box at the event. It helps Samsung to keep its design and other aspects private from the outer world. As per the new report from the Korean website, in which Samsung's mobile division CEO DJ Ko confirmed that Samsung will produce 1 million foldable devices in the next few months or weeks. He further said that they will wait for the official sale results, which will help Samsung to know the actual ground situation of the market. If the company found the market mature enough, then they will increase the production. Currently, there is no overview that would help Samsung to get the exact probability of a number of sales. Even big experts are mumbling over how the market will react to the foldable devices. Samsung has not revealed any specs and pricing details as of now. This time the company has tightened its grip over the hardware leaks, as only minimal details are available as of now. It says we have to wait for the mass production to get information about its hardware, so be sure to subscribe for that. Additionally, DJ Ko also pointed out that Samsung is collaborating with Google to create a customized version of the foldable device. Google has already launched Android support for foldable smartphone. Surely it will help Samsung's foldable device next year. He also said that product name is not decided yet, but what they decided is that they will continue this as a whole new lineup like the Galaxy S and Note series. Now, as for the release and price of Samsung's foldable smartphone, industry insiders believe that there will be another demo at the MWC in February before the final reveal in March. Means Samsung is expected to unveil its most awaited foldable phone in March next year. Now, as for the price, industry insiders said that it may cost around 2 million won, which roughly converts into 1,770 US dollars, which is definitely way more higher than any other phone. Also, Samsung's Exynos Twitter account posted a tweet recently with an image hinted that they will also release their 7nm chipset for their upcoming smartphone. Right now, Huawei and Apple already beat the other chip makers in the race to announcing and also releasing phones powered by 7nm chipsets with their Crane 980 and the 812 Bionic and 812X Bionic, which is the most powerful chipset. But seems like Samsung also wanted to participate in the 7nm race. As you can see in this image, it has the text intelligence from within, pretty much confirming that finally this chipset will have a dedicated NPU chip, or simply I would say an artificial intelligence chipset that would help users to use their smartphone more efficiently. Samsung also confirms through this video that the Galaxy S10 will have a 5G modem, though it will be a separate model and not all S10 models will have it. There are rumors that the Exynos 9820 will have a tri-cluster arrangement like the Crane 980. One cluster is said to be made of 2 custom Mongoose M4 cores, followed by a second cluster of Cortex A76 cores and a third cluster of Cortex A55 cores. The chipset has also been reported to feature a Mali G76 GPU and have advanced AI capabilities. They will announce this new chipset tomorrow, so make sure to subscribe to know with what features it came with. So yeah, that's all in this video, and here's a lot of controversial news about the Galaxy S10, which I'll cover up in my upcoming videos. So again, be sure to subscribe for that. Let me know what you think about it and its price. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.